Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by combining practical prerequisites with immediate action. Install Python and set up a lightweight environment, then run a simple data project using pandas. Once done, practice core statistics problems and small linear algebra exercises to see why models behave as they do. Make sure to practice daily. 30-60 minutes of focused coding plus 30 minutes of math problems. This establishes the foundation, so you can build real projects without breaking later. You continue by translating basics into a portfolio of real work. Start an exploratory data analysis and document patterns, then create a modeling pipeline that includes feature engineering and proper train/validation splits. Once done, iterate with cross-validation and grid or Bayesian hyperparameter search to improve robustness. Make sure to use Git and reproducible notebooks so experiments are traceable. This middle phase is about depth. Test assumptions, measure impact, and refine. You finish by making your work reliable and shareable. Deploy a minimal API or dashboard, monitor performance, and add basic alerts for data or metric shifts. Once done, run lightweight optimizations like feature selection or model compression to reduce inference cost. Make sure to document assumptions, edge cases, and retraining triggers so others can reproduce results. If things go wrong, always isolate whether the issue is data drift, labeling error, or a pipeline bug before changing the model.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.